Today we made it to Chicago and we are here because two very special people to us are getting married this week.
Greg and Susie. We're
Susie.
Super excited. We're going to see you in a few hours,
Yep.
And we are really happy. Susie and Greg are getting married. Capturing this for your wedding. Thank you. You need help? Oh my gosh.
Above all else to live in truth with you. I promise to always love you when times are good, and even more when times are hard. As your husband, I promise to support you in your goals and to encourage you and respect you in your success and your failures.
I love you with all my heart, and I thank God every day for bringing us together to journey through this life as one. Becoming your wife today exceeds any gift that I could have asked or imagined. In front of God and our friends and family, I promise to submit myself to you as unto the Lord, to respect you and to be faithful to you all the days of my life.
David Wisconsin, and I'll pronounce you husband and wife. Greg, you may kiss your bride. Folks, it's my pleasure to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Greg and Susie Rollins.
Please take a few moments to locate the nearest exits.